A young man comes to casualty at 2 a.m. Severe penile pain, swollen glands, and the foreskin is stuck behind the corona. He says, "Doctor साहब, यूरिन तो पास हो रहा है, but बहुत दर्द हो रहा है." And the next thing you realize is this is not just a swelling; it's a urological emergency. Now, what is phimosis? Phimosis means inability to retract foreskin over the glans penis. There are many types of phimosis. First is physiological phimosis. It is normal in children. No scarring, no infection, no forceful retraction needed. So the golden rule is never forcibly retract foreskin in children because forcible retraction can cause microtear, fibrosis, pathological phimosis later in the life. And the second one is pathological phimosis. Now this is a disease usually due to recurrent infections, Balanoposthitis, diabetes mellitus, BXO or Balanitis Xerotica obliterans, trauma from forceful retraction. Talking about the clinical features, patient may complain difficulty in retracting foreskin, ballooning during urination, pain, dysuria, and recurrent infections, poor hygiene, foul smell, and sometimes there can be hematuria. Now, why phimosis is important? Because chronic phimosis increases the risk of infection, urinary obstruction, sexual difficulty, and rarely carcinoma of penis, especially in elderly diabetic patients. Phimosis is a clinical diagnosis, but infection is suspected, then go for urine routine, urine culture, swab if there is any discharge present. And the management for physiological phimosis, no surgery is needed, just reassurance, hygiene, and gentle cleaning. Very high yield exam point. But for pathological phimosis, you can try steroid cream. Topical steroids applied to the preputial ring. Success rate can be very high and surgery option can also be given. But if it is severe, then in that case, you have to go for dorsal slit, prepucioplasty or circumcision. Now talking about the circumcision. Most students memorize circumcision but don't understand when it is truly indicated. Now let's see what are the indications of circumcision. There are some absolute indications like penile malignancy or unsalvageable traumatic foreskin injury, and the medical indications are BXO, severe recurrent Balanoposthitis, recurrent UTI, and the most common indication is religious or cultural circumcision. Now talking about the complications of circumcisions. It is frequently asked questions in your examination. Now there can be early complication and late complication. Early complications are bleeding, pain, infection, but late complication consist of meatal stenosis, cosmetic issues, urethral injury. Now let's talk about the paraphimosis. This is the topic where many students panic. What is paraphimosis? Paraphimosis means retracted foreskin cannot be brought back over the glans. This creates a tight constricting band, venous obstruction, massive edema, and eventually arterial compromise. When does it happen? Usually after catheterization if the prepuce is not retracted back, after sexual activity, penile piercing, forceful retraction, failure to replace foreskin after examination. Now let's see about the clinical features. Patients present with painful swollen glands, edematous foreskin, constricting ring behind glands, difficulty in urinating, anxiety and panic. And it's a surgical emergency because untreated paraphimosis can lead to necrosis of glans penis. That's why paraphimosis is equal to urological emergency. Now let's see how to manage paraphimosis. Step 1. Analgesia. Pain control is very important. Step 2. Reduce edema. There are different methods. First is the ice pack, compression with saline gauze, osmotic sugar application. Step 3. Manual reduction. First, compress the glans gently and try to pull the foreskin forward. And this should be your classical answer in the examination. But if reduction fails, then go for penile block, dorsal slit, and emergency circumcision later. Talking about the other important preputial disease, there can be Balanoposthitis. What is Balanoposthitis? Inflammation of glans is equal to Balanitis and inflammation of foreskin is posthitis. Together they form the Balanoposthitis, and the causes are poor hygiene, diabetes, candida infection or STDs. Symptoms can be redness, pain, foul smell, purulent discharge and itching, and the treatment consists of proper hygiene, antibiotics or antifungals, diabetes control, and circumcision if it is recurrent. Now see about the BXO or Balanitis Xerotica obliterans. Very important surgery topic. It is a chronic scarring inflammatory condition. Looks like white fibrotic ring. It can cause severe phimosis, meatal stenosis, urinary symptoms, and the treatment is circumcision. Now, after covering whole topic, let's have a rapid Viva questions. Define phimosis. Inability to retract the foreskin or glans is phimosis. What is paraphimosis? Retracted foreskin trapped behind the glans and inability to retract it back. Which one is the emergency? Paraphimosis is an emergency. Why paraphimosis is danger? Because it can cause ischemia and necrosis of glands. What is the most common cause of pathological phimosis? Recurrent infections. Now, why avoid circumcision in hypospadiasis? Because the foreskin which is taken out in circumcision is used for reconstruction of hypospadiasis. What is the treatment of physiological phimosis? Reassurance and hygiene. What is the most definitive treatment for recurrent pathological phimosis? And your answer is circumcision. So the take-home message is never forcibly retract a child's foreskin. Always replace foreskin after catheterization or clinical examination. This single step prevents paraphimosis. Diabetes plus recurrent balanitis, think of pathological phimosis. And paraphimosis is not just swelling, it is muscular compromise. So today we learned one powerful thing. Even a small fold of skin like the prepuce can create infection, obstruction, emergency ischemia, even malignancy risk. And that's why understanding basic surgical anatomy clinically changes how you treat patients forever. If this video simplified phimosis and paraphimosis for you, hit the like button and send this video to your MBBS friend who always confuse phimosis with paraphimosis, and subscribe for more surgery related videos.